Hi, this is video for homework 5 of software engineering. In this homework, we need to set up Ansible to install a bunch of stuff on a remote Vagrant machine. So I have already created this directory structure. It has Ansible, node 1 and data. Ansible machine will have Ansible installed, and it will install the bunch of stuff and deploy an app in node 1. So let's go to Ansible. So first I need to create a Vagrant virtual machine in this. So the syntax is Vagrant 12 trusty 64. So I forgot init. Vagrant init 1 to 64. Now you can see the Vagrant file has been created. Now I need to edit Vagrant file for couple of configurations. The first thing that I would change is the network configuration that I wanted to run on this IP, and also I want to have a synced folder, which is data folder. I have already created that, and it will sync with the Vagrant data in a remote Vagrant machine. So if I do Vagrant up, it should start up. It takes some time, so I'll pause it here. Thanks. So now the Ansible machine has started up, and I should be able to connect it to with Vagrant SSH. It takes some time. Yeah, now I have been connected to Vagrant SSH. Now Vagrant machine. So let's exit from here for a moment. Now let's repeat the same procedure in node Vagrant. So I'll init Vagrant machine here. Then I will I need to edit the Vagrant file first. I want it to run on 111, and also it's not needed, but just in case, let's have a synced folder too. Now I should I would do Vagrant up to power up the machine. Now it is booted up. So if I run Vagrant SSH here, I should be able to connect to the node. So I'm connected to node. Let's exit from here for a moment. Now what I want to do is I want to copy the private SSH key of node, so that I can connect it without using without using password. So for that I need to run Vagrant SSH config. So this is the location of the private key. I will open it up, and I will copy its content. I will copy its content to a already created folder. I will override this old content, close this here. So now we're almost good. We now what we need to do is we need to copy some of the files from local to remote in Ansible. So let's copy these 3 files. This is playbook file, this is inventory file, which contains node IP along with its username and key location. So if I copy it to data, I should get it in the Ansible remote. So if I log in, and if I do vagrant data, yeah, you can see all these 3 files have been copied here. So let's copy all those files to the home directory. Okay, so now we have those 3 files in our home directory. Now what I have to do is I have to install Ansible here. So for that the command is I keep forgetting it. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. The command to install Ansible is first I need to add the repository Ansible here. I'm doing it all in the remote VM. Now I need to run sudo apt-get update. Yeah, it will take some time. Now sudo apt-get update is completed. Now I have to install Ansible here. So the command is sudo apt-get install Ansible. Yeah, this will take a minute or two. Okay, so now Ansible is installed here. Now the next thing I need to do is go to keys folder and give permission to use this node key as a private key. So for that I need to change mod 600 in the node key. That's done. Now let's check if I'm able to connect to the node. So I need to change this. So the address, which is 111, oh, I'm sorry, I copied the wrong command. Yes, yeah, so I'm able to connect to the node remote. Now let's exit from here for now. Now I need to yeah, first I need to show that there is no git installer vagrant ssh in node. So we are on node remote now. Yes, there, as you can see, there is no app folder here, and also git is not installed here. Moreover, there is no app running on the 300 port. You can see there is no app running on the 300 port, and when I deploy the app on 300 port, we should be able to see the deployed app on that. So let's run Ansible playbook -I inventory HW5IML. Yeah, so it will take some time. So all the installations are done. You can see that this does install a list of packages, then it installs forever, then it clones the repo, and it runs the npm install to install all the node modules. Then it starts the app if it is not already running, and it checks if the packages are latest, and then clean up the temp folder. So now I should be able to see the see that app running in the forever. Yes, it is. And if I go over here, it's running. Thank you.